Join me as I dive deep into whether Lulu stock is really ready for a surge or if it's just hype. Lulu is a popular athletic apparel company that's been making waves in the market, and its stock performance is something many investors are keeping an eye on, especially given the current state of the retail industry. Lulu is facing some tough competition from other brands, which is affecting its sales and revenue. Economic factors such as inflation and supply chain issues are also taking a toll on the company's performance. The rise of online shopping has changed the way people buy clothing, and Lulu needs to adapt to these changes to stay ahead. The company's marketing strategy is also being questioned, as some critics feel it's not effective enough to attract new customers. The retail industry is highly competitive, and Lulu is not the only company struggling to stay afloat. Many other brands are facing similar challenges, and it's hard to predict which ones will come out on top. Lulu's loyal customer base is one of its strongest assets, but it needs to find a way to expand its reach and appeal to a wider audience. The company's efforts to expand into new markets and product lines are steps in the right direction, but it's still unclear whether these moves will be enough to boost its stock. Lulu's financial reports show a mixed bag, with some positive trends but also areas of concern. The company's revenue has been growing, but its profits have been affected by increased costs and competition. Expert opinions are divided, with some analysts predicting a surge in Lulu's stock and others warning of a potential downturn. The company's leadership is under pressure to deliver results, and the next quarter's earnings report will be closely watched. Recent financial reports show that Lulu is investing heavily in its digital platform, which could pay off in the long run. The company's focus on sustainability and social responsibility is also appealing to many consumers, who are increasingly looking for brands that share their values. Market trends suggest that the demand for athletic apparel is still strong, and Lulu is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. However, the company needs to navigate the challenges of the current market and find ways to stay ahead of the competition. Lulu's stock has been volatile in recent months, with some ups and downs that have left investors wondering what's next. Expert opinions are divided, with some predicting a surge in the stock and others warning of a potential downturn. The company's financial reports and market trends will be closely watched in the coming weeks and months. Recent developments, such as new product launches and partnerships, could potentially trigger a surge in Lulu's stock. The company's ability to execute its strategy and adapt to changing market conditions will be key to its success. The key to Lulu's success lies in its ability to innovate and stay ahead of the competition. The company's focus on quality and customer service is admirable, but it needs to find ways to differentiate itself in a crowded market. Recent developments, such as the launch of new product lines and partnerships with popular brands, are promising signs that Lulu is on the right track. If the company can continue to execute its strategy and adapt to changing market conditions, its stock could potentially surge in the coming months. Lulu's stock potential is still uncertain, but there are some promising signs on the horizon. The company's efforts to expand into new markets and product lines are steps in the right direction, and its focus on sustainability and social responsibility is appealing to many consumers. If Lulu can navigate the challenges of the current market and find ways to stay ahead of the competition, its stock could potentially rise in the coming months. The company's loyal customer base and strong brand reputation are assets that should not be underestimated. In summary, Lulu's stock is at a crossroads, and its future performance is uncertain. While the company faces some tough challenges, it also has some promising opportunities on the horizon. The key to its success lies in its ability to innovate, stay ahead of the competition, and adapt to changing market conditions. The main points to take away are that Lulu's stock potential is still uncertain, but there are some promising signs on the horizon, so let's hear your thoughts on Lulu's stock in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the stock market, be sure to check out our other video on the top stocks to watch this year.